It is April on 2006. Happy Columbine Anniversary Day. Wasn't that 17 years ago today? I admire Eric and Harrison Dillon Creed both for getting rid of filth in this fucking world. I want to focus on enjoying the Tron though. Trons are fucking cool. It's exciting to make videos of Trons. I went to Columbine in Opera of Wells Norton to celebrate the loving memories of Eric and Dillon. But I want to focus on the Tron. Trons are fucking cool. You can't take a Tron for granted. I found that out in Antonada X. Because my parents moved to Florida, which is a fucking cesspool of fucking shit. It's exciting to make videos of Trons. Oh god, these stupid signs are blocking the Tron. This is the last METRA Tron video I'm making for the day. Maybe I'll make it tonight if there's time, which there probably won't be. It's exciting to make videos of Trons. I wish I was riding that Tron. And the green tinted windows on the Tron are fucking cool.
To firefighters and the other heroes of 7-Eleven.
God, it's taken a long time. A lot of people are on this Tron. Oh, the people living in the Chicago area are such lucky fucking bastards. So many Trons to ride. The Tron is pulling out of the station. He said pull out. He said pull out. Why weren't Beavis and Butthead in the Trons? I don't know why more. There's a shitload of rail fans on YouTube. There's a shitload of people with Asperger's and we like Trons. I don't know. Well, I know my friend June likes Trons. You know, she's not as crazy about it as I am, but I don't meet too many people with Asperger's who are crazy about Trons. Like, what the fuck? When I hear that a lot of people with Asperger's like Trons. The Tron is still over there. Well, it's not. Now the Wheaton is a town run by Bible-thumping assholes. That's the bad thing about it. And the minister of the First Baptist Church in the Antonadas managed to get the porno magazines out of the 7-Eleven. That fucking control freak dirtbag motherfucker. I really fucking hate it when people try to dictate to other people what they can do. God, I fucking hate that. Speaking of which, look at the top of that stosh, and I'll zoom in on it. It looks kind of like a penis. It's shaped a little bit like a penis. Why do people make an issue out of that? I mean, it's funny, you know, if people had an open mind and didn't have a stick up their ass, it wouldn't even be funny if you talked about a penis. Just think about it. There's only Untron left.